Welcome to my channel. In today's story, a poor woman and a bird crossing paths in a moment that changes everything. A kind act done without expectations opens the door to a forgotten treasure. This is not just a tale about a wealth, it is about a destiny, kindness, and silent blessing. What happened when a man without nothing else abounded? Please subscribe my channel and like this story.
At the edge of the jungle in a small mud house lived I, Faqeer Deen. My house was very simple, with mud walls, an old grass roof, and only the rustling of trees all around. Life here wasn't easy, but it was mine. A thin farmer with deep wrinkles on her face, old shoes, old khaki clothes, and tired hope in her eyes. My bones were weak, but there was a strange strength in my heart. Every day I worked hard, but even a full meal was hard to come by. I sweated in the fields, yet the harvest was small and the exhaustion great. Every day, I would sit by the lake, eating dry bread, and just pray for one thing. Oh God, give me one chance, I will work hard. I believed in my heart that maybe one day my hard work would pay off. One day as I was sitting by the lake, a whimpering sound came from the bushes. The sound was so faint that perhaps no one else would have heard it. I saw a wounded hoopoe, Sarwar, a beautiful golden hoopoe, with crown-like feathers on its head, a black beak, white and black striped wings, and shining wisdom in its eyes. My heart ached seeing its condition. Without any desire for reward, I gently picked it up and brought it to my home. At that moment I had only one thought. It was my duty to help someone. I treated it with leaves, honey, and my whole heart. I put balm on its wounds and made a soft bed for it. Many days passed. Sarwar's condition improved. I talked to it, picked grains for it, and watched the sparkle of hope return to its eyes. I never caged it, nor put it in a cage, nor boasted to anyone. I just quietly cared for it. I respected its freedom, because I knew that caging a bird is caging its soul. When Sarwar was fully recovered, one morning it spoke to me. Its voice had magic, and its words were full of gratitude. I was amazed. I had never imagined that a bird would talk to me like this. It said, "You did something for me, now it's my turn." There was love and promise in its tone. Sarwar gave me an old treasure map, hidden in a dark cave in the middle of the jungle. The map looked centuries old, with mysterious symbols and paths drawn on it. The path was not easy: thorns, wild animals, rushing rivers, rocks, and fear. Every step was a new test, and every turn a new danger. But I didn't give up. Sarwar's words echoed in my heart, and I overcame every difficulty. Sarwar was always with me, showing the way, explaining things, and encouraging me. Without its guidance, I might never have moved forward. Finally, we both reached the cave entrance. The door was made of stones, and strange symbols were carved on it. It was written on the door, "This treasure is only for the one who helped a wounded bird without expecting anything in return." My eyes filled with tears. For the first time in my life, I felt that my sincerity was truly valuable. Then I understood. My sincerity was the key to my destiny. True wealth lies in a pure heart and kindness. When the treasure opened, gold, jewels, and priceless items were before me. The scene was like a dream come true. But I used the entire treasure for the good of my village and the jungle. I built schools, hospitals, and a safe place for birds. Now the children of my village study, the sick are treated, and birds fly freely. Today I am a successful and famous person. People look at me with respect, and there is prosperity in my village. But on the wall of my house, Sarwar's picture still hangs. That picture reminds me every day that true strength lies in sincerity. Below it is written, "The one everyone considers small can change everything." This story teaches me, help given without expecting anything in return is never wasted. The seed of kindness will surely bear fruit one day. Sometimes luck comes to your door on the wings of birds. You just need to have a pure heart. This is the greatest wealth, and this is the true secret of life.